1 month on. Let's see what's happened with the tomatoes. This is one of the original ones that's grown tall. One of the original ones that's grown tall. Look at that. These have flowered already. I pruned the rose bush a few weeks ago. It's come out well. I don't know what this variety is called. Got the tree for £1 a few years ago in the pound shop. Anyway, let's get back to the tomatoes. These are the seedlings from a month ago. I've just watered them moderately. Come up well. I put the seedlings a few weeks after they're growing. Oh, look at this rose bush. This rose was here when I came. The yellow flowers. Look at that, there's a bean there. Right. Anyway, these are the original ones. Look at that, that's gone pretty tall. These are the original ones going back from March. Ooh, flowers have come up on them. And that's its maximum height.